Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to turn on or off screensaver in any Samsung phone. If you're using any Samsung phone and you want to turn on or off a screensaver, so let's see how you can do that. You just have to simply open your settings app. Now, once you are in your settings, just scroll down. You might see the display settings here. Click on display, scroll to the end, and you will see here a screensaver. Just click on screensaver, and from here, just select the screensaver you want to set. Let's say I'm gonna select colors. You can also get a preview of your screensaver. Once I've done, your screensaver will be set. And now, if you want to turn it off, go back to your settings, go to display again, go to screensaver, just click on none from here and your screensaver will be turned off or disabled. So in this way you can easily turn on or off a screensaver in your Samsung phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.